Good morning, 7th class. We are doing first question of exercise 5.2. First question is state the property in these cases. ठीक है, you have to tell which rule or which property we are using in these cases. First is if A is parallel to B, then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 1 is this and angle 5 is this. So which property we will use here? If angle 1 is equal to angle 5, it means they are corresponding angle. Why? Because both angles are on the same side of transversal line and one is exterior and one is interior. So these are corresponding angles. Next is second part. If angle 4 is equal to angle 6, then A parallel to B. So which property we are using here? Angle 4, angle 6, both are equal. They are alternate and both are interior. So they are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Next, third is if angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. 4 and 5, the sum of both angles is 180 degree. Now, these are co-interior angles. I told you when two angles are interior and they are on the same side of transversal line or both are interior, then the sum should be 180 degree. We call them co-interior also, and angles on the same side of transversal line are supplementary. Angles on the same side of transversal line are supplementary, or you can say these are the co-interior angles also. Second question is identify following angles from this figure. First is corresponding angle. You have to write all pairs of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means one is exterior, one is interior, and both are on the same side of transversal. Now first pair is angle 4 and angle 8. Next pair is angle 3 and angle 7. Next angle 1 and angle 5. Next angle 2 and angle 6. देखिए angle 4 and angle 8. 4 is exterior, 8 is interior, and both are the same side. Similarly 3 is interior, 7 is exterior, both are on the same side. Next is alternate interior angles. Alternate means cross and interior means under. So that is angle 3 and angle 5. First pair is, and second pair is 2 and 8. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior अंदर और same side of transversal. That are those are 3 and 8. सेम साइड पर है और इंटीरियर है, अंदर है. फर्स्ट पेयर इज एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 8. सेकेंड इज एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 5. फोर्थ पार्ट इज द वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल्स. They are closing to each other. So that is angle 1 and angle 3. First pair. Next angle 4 and angle 2. Next angle 8 and angle 6, and angle 5 and 7. So they are vertically opposite angles. In this third question, P is parallel to Q. P line Q के parallel and this line is transversal line. So in this question you have to find the unknown angles. Unknown means E, F, A, B, C, D. Okay, we will use all properties in this if it is required. Now look at this. Angle 125, this and angle D both are corresponding angles. इसको आप घुमा कर देखो. This is the transversal line. One is exterior, one is interior between these two parallel lines. So angle 125 and angle D are corresponding angle, and corresponding angles are always equal. So angle, you will write angle D is equal to 125 degree. Reason is both are corresponding angles. So first answer is here. Now we will check which property now we will use here. Now look at here. Angle B and angle D both are vertical opposite angles, and you know vertical opposite angles are equal. So we will write angle B is equal to angle D. Reason both are vertical opposite angles. What is the value of angle D? 125 degree. So angle B also 125 degree. Now this is the second B part. Now look at this both angles, 125 and F. They are making linear pair, है ना? Both angles are on a straight line. So the sum should be 180 degree. Reason is both are linear pair. So from here we will find the value of angle F. 120 will go, 125 will go there. So angle F will be 180 minus 125. It will be 55 degree. So third answer is this. Here I am putting angle sign. Now angle E and angle F both are vertical opposite angles. Angle E is equal to angle F. Reason is vertical opposite angles. What is the value of F? 55 degree. So angle E will be also 55 degree. Clear? Now angle E and angle A both are corresponding angle. One is outside, one is interior. Angle E is equal to angle A. I am writing here reason because both are corresponding angles. So what is the value of angle E? 55 degree. So angle A is also 55 degree. Now only one angle is left, C. Now angle A and angle C again both are vertical opposite angles. So angle A is equal to angle C. Reason is vertical opposite angles, and value of A is 55. So angle C is also 55 degree. Now these type of question you have to do like this, using property and find out the angle.